Guys, if you're like me, you're absolutely terrible at keeping your rug and your carpets clean in your house. Have no fear, I have the solution for you. And that solution is the Desclee Cordless Vacuum. I got mine in red, guys. Guys, with 3 different suction modes, this will make any cleanup a breeze. Now, using the lowest setting, going over our mess that we made earlier, guys. Look at that. It's a fraction of the price of pretty much the same exact vacuum, guys, and works just as well. And with the option to be handheld, it makes those hard to reach places a breeze to get to. If you guys are interested, you'll get yours down below in the TikTok shop for a small price of $70.